Hi everyone, welcome to the Paul Mitchell channel. I'm Jessica. Thank you so much for tuning in. For today's video, we have this super simple, easy wave look right here. This look is really great if you want to create that natural wave look, or even if you already have natural waves on your hair. This technique is really good if you want to touch up those waves. But before we get started, again, welcome to the Paul Mitchell channel. If you're not subscribed, new videos every single week. So on that note, we're going to go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so we're starting this video with half my hair already done, just because it'll make this process a little bit quicker. So this is the iron we're using today. This is the Express Ion Style Plus from Paul Mitchell. The beauty about the Paul Mitchell Pro tools is that they actually come with a automatic shut-off time. I actually posted a TikTok a couple weeks ago from when you're seeing this about our automatic shut-off times between Paul Mitchell Pro Tools and Neuro, and people were loving it. Here's our shameless plug. If you don't follow us on TikTok, definitely recommend us following there as well if you are on the app. Alright, this is good to go. I have my temperature set on 360, and the beauty about this as well, besides the automatic shut-off time, is you can also, I don't even know if you can tell, but you can also adjust the temperatures. Alright, going to go ahead and start with this. I've already prepped my hair with a Neuro Protect spray, but just for extra protection and science, I'm going to go ahead and spray the top of my hair again. Because especially this section needs a little bit more love. Alright, so all that has already been sprayed with Protect. I'm going to section this part off. So here is a good section I grabbed. I grabbed my iron. I like starting bending it this way, and then I grab it, I flip it over. You just kind of pull, pull, pull. The shorter the pulls, the more tighter the waves are going to be. The longer the pulls, it's going to probably more be like a bend. And then this, the end, you can continuously keep bending, but what I like to do at the end is after I do my last bend, I kind of just straighten out the bottom. I'll do another one for you guys. So again, grabbing this, bending in, flipping it out, pull, flip again, pull, and then the end I just iron off. Just like that. The reason I like to iron off the end is because if I bend it, then my hair is going to go in completely different directions at the bottom, and I just want it to kind of blend seamlessly. So that's why I straighten at the bottom, just so it falls together nicely as opposed to like zigzags going all over the place. It does help if you keep tabs on that hair strand and kind of hold it as you pull, just so it doesn't escape and start going, you know, everywhere, and some start falling out of the iron. It helps if you hold on to the end. I have to make sure my part is spot on. Alright, let's get to face framing. Same thing, inward. Pull, bend, pull, bend, straight. I would say the keywords for this look is flip and pull all the way down until you get to the end, which is gonna be just straighten. I'm done with the heat tools, and now I'm going to dress up my hair a little bit. This is the Paul Mitchell Extra Body Thicken Up. It helps with the volume, flexible body, and adds that softness and shine. You can actually use this on damp hair or on dry hair. So obviously my hair is not damp, but I'm going to go ahead and put, oh, I didn't even show you guys. It was about a full pump. So I just grab it, and then I do a little less than a full pump, but almost on one side. This is usually how I split up my hair when I put any like creams or gels or foams. I do half and half. So here's one side. See how this side looks a little bit more softer and less frizzier than this side? Again, about a full pump, but not quite. If you have more hair, thicker hair, I would say probably a full pump on each side is great. For the next product, I will be using the Paul Mitchell Foaming Pomade. So this product is an amazing product. It's actually for wavy, curly, unruly hair that helps add shine, helps with texture, and kind of helps the curls, your waves, be a little bit more defined. And I learned from one of the Paul Mitchell artists is if you take just a little bit, you just have to like dab it. There we go. I'm gonna start with that much. And it is great for flyaways. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it right down my part like this. See how it just helps smooth it out? I like to add some on my ends too because they're a little dead. They are very damaged. I haven't gotten a trim in a while, but if you watch my video from about a couple weeks ago, I mentioned how I have bleached hair under this and it is very brittle. So this just helps with the ends being a little bit more shiny, a little bit less frizzy, and I just kind of add it into those ends. So now my hair has a little bit more shine, a little bit more life into it, especially on my ends. And now I just kind of let the products dry a little bit, and I don't really run my fingers through my hair. I just kind of like piecing it up a little bit. Lastly, going in with the Awapui Wow Ginger Finishing Spray just for a natural hold and a little bit more shine. And there you have it, this very natural, effortless wave look. I really enjoy doing this look when I have a little bit more of a easy week. I don't want to say a full week, but this lasts me about a couple days. If you're one of those that don't wash your hair every day, that is I. But it lasts a while. I really like how natural it looks, and it even looks great. Like say if I do a half up, half down, I really like the texture it gives me and the volume that it has. Definitely recommend this look to try, especially if you already have some sort of wave to your hair and you just kind of want to enhance it with this iron a little bit more. Because it's really thin, it allows you to create that really natural wave. Just depending on your wave type or your curl type, this iron makes it really natural to create. That pretty much sums up this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you have any sort of requests of video, of hairstyles you would like to see, or products you would like to focus on, make sure you leave those down below. We'd love to do that. If you made it this far in the video and aren't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. We'd love to see you every single Friday. Again, new videos every week. On a Friday, we'd love to catch you on our channel, so make sure you click that subscribe button, and we hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching.